Hello and welcome. My first ever card opening video. Today we're going to be opening 4 Panini Contenders football hanger boxes 2020. 30 cards per box. I was able to pick them up this morning at Target for the retail value of 10 bucks each. First time ever finding cards for retail. Now let's see, on the back here, we got, let's zoom in on this. Take a look. These are all the inserts. Yep, pause the video if you want to keep looking. But I'm gonna move ahead. So I'm gonna set my phone up again, and let's see, open this up. All right. Get a knife. Let's see, open these from the side. Just need to put this back up. I'll put that right there. All right, and let me get my phone a little bit higher. Here we go. And to start us off, like I already saw, Super Bowl champion Tom Brady. Is that Drew Lock? Tre'Davious White, and Josh Allen. Let's go Scary Terry. Matt Stafford, just traded to the Rams. Jimmy G. Sam Darnold. DJ Moore. Ryan Fitzmagic. Tyrann Mathieu, Brandon Cooks, Tyler Lockett, Nick Chubb, Saquon Barkley, and let's see this. Panini Contenders, 2 round numbers, Xavier McKinney and Trayvon Diggs. MVP Contenders, Josh Allen, and a Rookie of the Year, Cam Akers. Dan Marino, Legendary Contenders. Michael Pittman, Rookie of the Year. Ooh. Chase Young and Jeff Okudah, Ohio State boys. Panini Contenders, round 1. Don't like that one. Let's go. Big Ben, MVP Contenders. And Tua Tagovailoa, Rookie of the Year, Contenders. Short man, Kyler Murray. Nate, if you want this card, you can have it. He's a bum. Isaiah Simmons, Rookie of the Year. Yeturgos Matos and KJ Hamler, round 2, Panini Contenders numbers. And winning ticket, Aaron Donald. MVP Contenders, which he's definitely not. Carson Wentz. And Jordan Love, Rookie of the Year Contenders. And Barry Sanders, Legendary. And this little card thingy. So, kind of recap this pack. My favorite cards. are, of course, Chase Young, Jeff Okudah, Ohio State boys. And we got Tua Tagovailoa, Rookie of the Year, and Jordan Love. I would say those are the biggest cards of this pack. I'm not really certain on the value, but I know top quarterbacks are going to go for the most money. So that will wrap it up for this pack number 1. I'm going to pause and resume it for pack number 2. David Montgomery. Drew Brees, probably going to retire after this year. Julio Jones. Keenan Allen. Gronk. Melvin Gordon. Alshon Jeffrey. Kirk Cousins. Patrick Mahomes. Marlon Mack. I don't know why they keep flipping these over. AJ Green. Cam Newton. Oh, measured again. Kyler Murray. Joey Bosa. Chris Godwin. Round 2 numbers. Cam Akers and Van Jefferson. MVP contenders, Baker Mayfield. And Rookie of the Year, Joe Burrow. I'm about to complete this. I'm about to get all the best QBs out of the draft after this. Just need Jalen Hurts. MVP contenders, Zeke. Rookie of the Year contenders, Jeff Okudah. Put that over there. Another round 2 numbers, Cam Akers and Van Jefferson. And another MVP, Baker Mayfield. 2 Joe Burrow Rookie of the Year contenders in the same pack. MVP contenders, Zeke. Is that the second Jeff Okudah? Oh, who in the world is making these packs? Round 3, Dalton Keene and Devin Asiasi. That's how you say his name. Drew Brees winning ticket. Jimmy Garoppolo. MVP contenders. Oh, what do you know? Called it. Jalen Hurts, Rookie of the Year. And for the last card in the pack, legendary Peyton Manning. And that wraps it up for box number 2. Another, we get like 4 QBs in this. Alright, I'll see you on the other side when I open up pack number 3. Still looking to see if we can try to get any autographed player. That would be really nice. Doesn't really matter, just wanna, that'd be really cool to see. Alright, start off, we got Danny Dimes. Right there. Lamar Jackson. AJ Brown. Garyon Johnson. Carson Wentz. D-Mont. Drew Brees. Gotta flip this over. Austin Eckler. Mike Evans. Philip Lindsay. Josh Jacobs. Tyler Boyd. Kirk Cousins. Patrick Mahomes. And looks like I got an autograph. Isaiah Hodgins. Sticker auto. Let me put that in a rookie card from the Bills. I don't really know who he is, but that's actually pretty cool. Not numbered. Just put this in. Put that right up there in the front. That's pretty exciting. All right, round 1 numbers: Javon Kinlaw and Brandon Ayuk. MVP: Michael Thomas. Contenders Rookie of the Year, Henry Ruggs. And Joe Burrow. Oh boy. This is, oh, Billy. This has got the red lettering too. And this is Offensive Rookie of the Year. Oh my God. And a Joe Burrow to a Tagovailoa. All right, maybe let me get this. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. That is sick. How's that for first time opening packs? Damn. That is hype. That is really, really hype. Oh my God. Oh my God. All right. MVP Drew Lock. Pulling all the best rookies. Rookie of the Year, Justin Jefferson. Man. MVP Contenders, Aaron Rodgers. Over here. Van Jefferson, Rookie of the Year. Clavon Chaisson, and Patrick Queen. Winning ticket, Michael Thomas. MVP, Kirk Cousins. Jacob Eason, Contenders. Legendary, Randy Moss. Man, I swear, we have pulled, I think, every single, quarterback, rookie quarterback out of this draft. This is crazy. I'm going to pause the video, and I'll resume it for the last pack. All right. Here we go. Last pack. Start off with DJ Chark. Ugh. Ryan Tannehill. Marvin Jones Jr. Richard Sherman. Roquan Smith. Alvin Kamara. Todd Gurley. Jalen Ramsey. Cortland Sutton. Miles Sanders. Joe Mixon. Julian Edelman. Aaron Rodgers. TJ Watt. Ezekiel Elliott. And here we go for the inserts. Set it away. Another Dalton Keene, Devin Asiasi. Winning ticket, Drew Brees. MVP Contenders, Jimmy G. The red, I looked this up, name is Red Foil Jalen Hurts. Legendary Peyton Manning. Round 2, Xavier McKinney and Trayvon Diggs. Josh Allen MVP Contenders. Cam Akers Rookie of the Year Contenders. Legendary Dan Marino. Rookie Michael Pittman Jr. Round 3 Lynn Bowden Jr. and Brian Edwards. and a winning ticket, Patrick Mahomes. Pretty sick. Panini Contenders, Gardner Minshew, and a Chase Young. That's what I was waiting for. Got that one earlier, but now we got this. Chase Young, Rookie of the Year. That's pretty neat. And Bo Jackson. Now, I don't know the prices of all these. Let me get these in sleeves. These are rookies. But, I mean, so I spent 40 bucks on this. I mean, first time opening cards. Don't know the exact prices of everything, but, I mean, I'd say definitely got close, if not surpassed that, with some of the stuff in here. Acres. And I'll do a recap of everything here in a second. Let me just put this Jalen Hurts away. All right, so let me go get this. Kind of just sleeved everything up. We're gonna use in the back. All right, so sleeved up, Patty Mahomes, Tom Brady, Patrick Mahomes. I mean, these are always, even though it's not the rookie card, it's definitely worth something. Now we got all these, like, probably the same colleges. I think that's what it is. Chase Young, Ohio State, right? Some of these inserts, I thought were pretty cool. Just leave these up. To my camera. Then we get to the rookies. So, these back. These are definitely, all right, so Rookie of the Year, Henry Ruggs, got Justin Jefferson, Van Jefferson, Jacob Eason, Jordan Love, Michael Pittman Jr., Isaiah Simmons, Tua Tagovailoa, Cam Akers, Okuda, Burrow, another Okuda, another Jalen Hurts, Cam Akers, Michael Pittman Jr., Chase Young, Jalen Hurts, Justin Herbert, Joe Burrow, this Isaiah Hodgins, and Burrow Tagovailoa, like, dual card. It's pretty neat. So, yeah, I mean, and then there was that Patrick Mahomes insert, too, that I think was pretty cool. But that sums it up for this video. I'm probably going to trim a lot of this out, or some of the stuff, because, I mean, I think it's pretty long at the moment. But, yep, that was my first pack opening, or box opening. So, I hope y'all enjoyed. Just going to have to keep going to Target and seeing if I can get more cards. So, thank you, and see y'all the next time I can get my hands on some cards. Peace.